Hello my dear children, now it is the time to exercise. Today I am here to teach you a rhyme about exercise. Today we are going to sing a rhyme about exercise. Welcome back to our English class. Are you ready children for a new class to sing a new rhyme about exercise? You know one thing, exercise is very good for our health. Okay. All of you take out your textbook. Take page number 68. Page number 68. All of you take page number 68. Here we can see some children are doing exercise. Children are doing exercises. Can you see children? Yes. All of you look at your textbook. Okay. And sing the rhyme after me. Okay. Yes, shall we start the rhyme children? Yes. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Do you like it? Yes. Shall we sing once more? Yes. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Yes. All of you sing after me, okay? Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Yes, this rhyme is about exercise. We have to hop, jump, run, skip, and also bend, stretch. Okay. Yes, and we have to sleep. Okay. Yes. Shall we sing once more the rhyme? Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Yes, all of you sing loudly. Sing after me, okay? Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Do you like the rhyme children? Yes. You have to by heart the rhyme at your home, okay? You have to by heart the rhyme. Okay. Then all of you take out your textbook. Today we are going to learn about ant. Can you see children? We are going to learn about ant, the usage of ant. Yes. All of you take page number 54. 54. Yes, all of you take this page. Today we are going to learn about ant, how to use ant in English. Okay. Ant is used to join two words or two sentences. Okay. The word and, A and D. The word and is used to join two words or two sentences. Okay. The word and is used to join two words. Okay. Okay. Let me show you some examples. Okay. See children, what is this? What is this children? Yes, this is a sheep. What is this? Sheep. And here, what is this? Tiger. Yes, this is a tiger. Tiger, sheep. A sheep and a tiger. Or we can say a sheep and a tiger. A sheep and a tiger. Here we can understand the word and is used to join two words, that is tiger and sheep. Okay, this is a tiger and this is a sheep. Or we can say a sheep and a tiger. A sheep and a tiger. Yes. Let's see another example. Okay. What is this, children? This is a circle. What is this? Circle. Yes. And here, what is this? This is a triangle. What is this? Triangle. Circle, triangle. Or we can say a circle and a triangle. A circle and a triangle. The word and joins the words circle and triangle. Okay. A triangle and a circle. The word and is used to join two words. Okay. Yes. Next, let's see another example. Okay. This is a gate. Okay. And grade. Gate, grade. Gate, grapes. Yes. A gate and grapes. Gate and grapes. Okay. Then, all of you listen here. Next example. What is this? Yes, the king of forest. Lion. Yes, lion and deer. Okay, deer. Deer and lion. Lion and deer. Okay. Do you understand, children? Yes, the word and is used to join two words or two sentences. Okay. Then let's see the examples in your textbook. All of you open page number 54. Yes. Put on date here, children. Put on date here. Yes. Look at the first picture, children. The small, in the small circle. Yes. Man, pen. Yes. And all we can say a man and a pen. A man and a pen. Yes. Here we can see and A and D in red color. Can you see, children? Yes. First picture, a man and a pen. Yes. Look at the second picture, children. Look at the second picture. Yes. A pot and a pan. A pot and a pan. Yes. Very good. Then next picture. An ant. We already learned. Yes. Here and is a vowel sound. So we use an. Okay. An ant and a log. An ant and a log. Yes. The next picture. The sun. Yes. The sun and a hat. Yes. The sun and a hat. We already learned how to use the. Okay. The sun and a hat. The next picture. A cup and a jug. A cup and a jug. Yes. Then next picture. A fan and a top. A fan and a top. Yes. Then next page. Page number 55. A boy and a pup. A boy and a pup. All of you read after me. Okay. Then next picture. Look at the next picture. What is that? Yes. Fox and ox. A fox and an ox. An ox. Okay. Yes. Next one. A cat and a dog. Yes. Next. A pup and a cup. A pup and a cup. Yes. The next one. A man and a boy. A man and a boy. Yes. The next one. A bus and a van. A bus and a van. Yes, next one. A cat and a rat. A cat and a rat. Then next picture. The sun and the moon. The sun and the moon. Yes, is it clear all of you? The word and is used to join two words or two sentences. Okay. Yes. Then all of you turn your page. Take page number 56. 56. Okay. Choose the right group of words and fill in the blanks. This is your homework. Okay. You have to complete page number 56. You have to complete this page. Okay. First one. A spoon. Look at the picture. A spoon and a fork. Okay. A spoon and a fork. So you have to write the F-O-R-K, fork. Okay. Like that you have to finish this page. Page number 56. You have to finish page number 56. Here we can see a help box. Yes, this box may help you. Okay. You have to finish page number 56. Okay. You have to by heart the rhyme. Hopper little, Jimbo little rhyme you have to by heart at your home. Okay. And also you have to finish page number 56. Okay children, bye. See you in the next class.